Hello everyone, this is Abid speaking English. Today we're going to talk about the microbial organisms. Microbial, what does microbial organisms mean? The organisms that are microscopic, or we need an ultra microscopic telescope, or should I say microscope. Why did I say telescope? So microscope to see these kinds of organisms. They can be three types: eukaryota, prokaryota, and eukaryota. And what do these mean? Well, A means no. And we should remember that karyota means a nucleus. So no nucleus. So we can definitely understand that akaryota means that they have no nucleus. But what is a nucleus? If you have seen my cell videos, plant cell, animal cell, you will most likely know. But just to give it a summary, a nucleus is the heart of a cell. We're made of plenty of cells, and each of them have a heart like we have. They are surrounded by top layers that protect them. These are called nuclear membrane. And in we have nucleolus, and inside we have the chromatin fiber. But sometimes the chromatin fiber may get small dots like these. There is also nucleolus. So this is a nucleus. And sometimes eukaryota no nucleus, those are viruses. So viruses like coronavirus or COVID-19, T2 virus, TMV virus, rabies or smallpox virus, all these viruses have no nucleus. Now, prokaryota. Prokaryota, pro means primitive. Primitive. And we know what karyota means. Karyota means nucleus. So prokaryota, primitive karyota or primitive nucleus. Primitive generally here means undeveloped. So nucleus and eukaryote is no nucleus, like there are no nucleuses here. But for prokaryota, we have a nucleus, but it is damaged. Like there may be some nuclear membranes missing, or the inside nuclear membrane may be cut in half or something like that, or the nucleolus is absent, probably the chromatin fiber is also damaged. That is then a prokaryota, and a prokaryota is bacteria. So bacteria is a prokaryota. So what are bacteria and which bacteria it is? There is Diplococcus pneumonia bacteria. There is also Shigella dysentery bacteria. We have Vibrio cholera bacteria. We also have Spirillum minus bacteria. These bacteria do not have any primitive karyota. Not only these, almost all bacteria, not almost all bacteria. What should I say? All bacteria do not have any prokaryota. Well, there cannot be a bacteria because it's already up plural, and the singular part of it is bacterium. So all bacteria have do not have developed but primitive or undeveloped nucleuses. Now, eukaryota. Eukaryota. So what does you mean? You means, guess what? Developed. And if you need a reminder, eukaryota means nucleus. We have learned that eukaryota does not have any nucleus, prokaryota has a damaged nucleus, and eukaryota, you might have known by now, has a full-on good nucleus with a nuclear membrane surrounding it, nucleolus, and chromatin fiber. So it's a full grown. And guess what? Who are part of it? We have fungi, algae, protozoa, all animals, and plants. By all animals, we mean all animals, birds, and humans. So eukaryota is just contained of virus, well, except virus and bacteria. Everything other than virus and bacteria is a eukaryota. Fungi, algae, protozoa, animals, and plants. Animal introduce animals and birds and human. Now, let's make a summary. Microbial organism. We have learned that there are three types depending on the presence and absence of nucleus. Eukaryota, no nucleus; prokaryota, primitive nucleus; and eukaryota, developed nucleus. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching.